fifth grade. Let's get started on math. We are on lesson 6.3. That's on page 313, and the title of the lesson is Number of Equal Groups. Okay, how can you model a division problem to find how many in equal groups? Okay, so we have learned to divide to find the number in each group, and now we'll learn to find the number of equal groups. So we'll do a few of these problems together so that we can understand better. So remember, to divide means to separate into equal groups. So Juan has 12 shells in some boxes. He wants to put each group of 3 shells in a box. How many boxes does he need for his shells? So he has 12 shells and then some boxes. That's the number we don't know. We do know that he wants to put each group of 3 shells in a box. And so we want to know how many boxes does he need for his shells. So one way to do this is to look at the 12 counters. So these 12 counters here are going to stand for the 12 shells. Now we're going to circle a group of 3 because he wants to put 3 shells in a box. So every time we circle 3 shells, that would equal 1 box. So let's continue circling groups of 3 until all 12 counters are in groups. So there's 3. Here's another 3. Here's another 3 and another 3. So all 3 have been used, or all 12 have been used, and they're in groups of 3. And now we can count how many groups there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of counters, and so Juan will need 4 boxes for his shells. If we were to write this as a division problem, it would be 12 shells, and then we divided the shells into 4 groups, and that equals 3 in each group. Okay, let's do another one. Sarah has 15 shells. She wants to put each group of 5 shells in a box. How many boxes does she need for her shells? Okay, so let's circle what we need. We know she has 15 shells and she wants to put 5 shells in a box. And so we need to figure out how many boxes does she need. Step 1, draw 15 counters. So that's what we'll do over here. We're going to draw 15 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to draw groups of 5 because I know that she wants to put 5 shells in a box. So we know we're going to be circling groups of 5. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so step 2 says make a group of 5 counters by drawing a circle around them. Continue circling groups of 5 until all 15 are in groups. So we'd already kind of made groups of 5. So we have this group of 5. This is another group of 5. And this is another group of 5. So how many groups did we make? We made 3 groups of 5. So Sarah needs 3 boxes for her shells. Let's write this as a division problem. Sarah had 12 shells, and she divided them equally into 3 groups, or the 3 boxes, and that equals 5 shells in each box. Okay, let's do another one. What if Sarah put her 15 shells in groups of 3? How many boxes would she need? So now instead of putting her 15 shells in groups of 5, she's going to put them in groups of 3. So let's do the same thing, except now it's groups of 3 up to 15. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we're going to group or circle groups of 3. Here's a group of 3 and another and another, and another, and another. So how many boxes would she need for these shells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this division problem would be Sarah has 15 shells and she divides those 15 shells equally into 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that equals 3 shells in each box. Okay. Let's turn the page and keep going. Okay, number 1, Tamika. Tamika has 12 counters. She puts them in groups of 2. Draw a picture to show the number of groups. So let's start by drawing the 12 counters, and she puts them in groups of 2. So let's already kind of draw groups of 2 until we get to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're going to circle those groups of 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many groups did she make? She made 6 groups. Let's draw the division problem here. So she starts with 12 counters. And then she divides them equally into 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that equals 2 in each group. Okay. So we have this table here, and we're going to fill in the missing number. So it says, draw counters on your math board and then circle equal groups, complete the table. We're going to use this space over here. If you have a blank piece of paper at home, you could also use that. So we have counters, number of equal groups, and then number in each group. We are looking for this missing number. 20 counters though, we're going to start there, and we know that there needs to be 4 in each group. So I'm going to start drawing groups of 4 until I get to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now we need to find how many groups there are. So we're going to be circling the groups of 4 to see this missing number. So here's a group of 4. Here's a group of 4. Here's a group of 4, and another, and another. How many groups is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do it again. Same thing, different numbers. Now we have 20 counters, and they need to be in groups of 3. So I'm sorry, 24 counters in groups of 3. So I'm going to start drawing groups of 3 until we get to 24. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, now circle groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 8 groups. Okay, what I want you to do here is to press pause, and I want you to do number 4 and number 5 on your own. So try and find some room. If you need to do some erasing, that's fine, or if you need to find another piece of paper. But your job now is to do 18 counters in groups of 2, find the number of equal groups, and then put 16 counters in groups of 8 and find the number of equal groups, and then press play when you're ready to correct. Okay, you should have done number 4 and 5. Let's go ahead and correct. So we have 18 counters in groups of 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's one group of 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should have gotten 9 groups. Okay, 16 counters in groups of 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, and that is one group of 8 and another group of 8. That's 2 groups of 8. Okay. Okay, let's do number 6. A store has 18 red beach balls and 17 green beach balls in boxes of 5 beach balls. How many boxes of beach balls are at the store? Okay, so we know that a store has 18 red and 17 green, and they put them in boxes of 5. They go in boxes of 5. We want to know how many boxes are there. So the first thing we need to do is combine the 18 red and 17 green. So we'll do 18 plus 17. We know that 8 plus 7 is 15. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So there's 35 beach balls, and they go in boxes of 5. So that would be, let's draw groups of 5 until we get to 35. So over here where I have room, I'm going to start doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So that's how many groups of 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 groups, or in this problem, that would be 7 boxes. Let's turn the page. And we'll skip to number 9, and that will be our last problem before your homework. Okay, number 9. Dan's train is 27 inches long. If each train car is 3 inches long, how many train cars are there? Choose a number from the box to complete the sentence. There are blank train cars. Okay, let's go back to the problem. Dan's train is 27 inches long. If each train car is 3 inches long, how many train cars are there? So we're missing a number. We want to do groups of 3 until we get to 27. So we're going to count groups of 3 to 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We kind of ran out of room down there. That's okay. So how many groups is that? How many groups of 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 train cars. Okay, thanks, 3rd grade. Now it's time to do your homework.